Alright guys, some of you may remember this compressor from that F150 AC total destruction job I did. It was a two-part series. If you missed that series, check the links in the video description and the pinned comment and it will take you back in time so you can see the actual repair. Anyway, a lot of people in the comments asked me to do an autopsy on this compressor. Now I usually don't pull these apart, but this was a new unit and does not have a core. So I should be able to do such things. I believe I've got to get the clutch off, and then there's going to be some through bolts that run through the housing. So let's pull this thing apart and take a look at what kind of destruction may be held inside of this unit. Now I've never pulled one of these apart to dissect it, so we're in this together. I think I need a puller, or there might be snap rings in there. Ooh. Looks like that thing is staked onto the shaft. Linear impact driver time. That's not gonna work. Yeah, let's try, let's escalate this a little bit. No. Nope. That's great. Let's repeat. Good thing this is already junk. You will come off. There it goes. Okay, we've got some snap rings in there. Good size bearing. Another snap ring. That's a big one. Okay, there's another big snap ring down there. Let's pull that guy out. Easier, there we go. Okay. I think I can get into this. Cool, this is gonna be fun. It's probably gonna make a mess. There's even black stuff all over these bolts. Interesting. Let's see what else we have here. Okay. Ooh, we're getting somewhere. Okay, yeah, these are the valves. This would be some kind of like a valve body. can see all the pistons running inside of the housing. Let's pull this guy off. Oh, cool. It's a 5-cylinder. So I'm wondering what this black stuff is. Is it part of the valves or is it seals? Where did it come from? Oh. Okay, looks like another valve manifold assembly here. I believe they call these reed valves because they flex and vibrate. I'm not gonna come out with these, so air hammer. Might be wrong, it's maybe a 10-cylinder. Let's see if this comes apart anymore. Yes, yes it does. Looks like a thrust plate. Yep, because there are little roller needle bearings in there, that's a thrust plate. Didn't mean to do that. Okay, yeah, so these guys ride around on this helical crankshaft design, and as they rotate, or as this rotates, it runs the pistons forward and back, generating the compression force needed to circulate the system. This is cool. Little half bearings in there. But I wonder what all the black stuff is. Is it part of the walls, like a coating on these pistons? Were there rings on these pistons? Oh, here we go. Yeah, look at that. That's gouged up pretty bad. Yep, here's some more. That's worn away. It's pretty nasty. You can feel some deep grooves in that. Same thing on this one. And a lot on this one. Chunks taken out of it. All right. And there's a huge chunk taken out of that bore right there. You can feel it. Same thing on this one. That's got a lot of wear. This one especially, that's got a lot of wear. Another set of roller bearings right here. Let's see if they come out. No. Okay. Well, that's my first ever compressor autopsy. Looks like it blew up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I think it needs a rebuild kit because it has been unbuilt. Junk. It's a rotary 10-cylinder engine with a helical crankshaft, built-in clutches, reed valves, more reed valves, 2-piece crankcase, needle bearings, electronic clutch, half of roller bearings, a whole bunch of those. Look at that. Another piston, main cap bolts. Oh, what am I gonna do with all this? This is a ginormous pile of parts. What could all this stuff be?